SOUN stock is approaching a key level at 979, and that level could trigger the next move. Recently, price has been consolidating after a strong breakout move from around $8. We saw a sharp push up into the 950 to 970 area, followed by a small pullback, showing some hesitation near resistance. Key resistance is at 979 with a higher level at 1030. Support sits at 935 and below that around 898. If SOUN breaks above 979 and gets a daily close above it, we could see a move toward 1030. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon, link in the description.